Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Opera GX is not opening or crashing, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. This is one application for which I say that just uninstall all the versions first of all. I don't even suggest repairing it. I would say uninstall every version of Opera and Opera GX because they are somewhat similar and have similar files. So once they are uninstalled, search for store in the Windows search bar, open the Microsoft Store, and then you can go and search for Opera GX. Hit enter, wait for it to load, then go to Opera GX app and then install. Now I'll tell you the reason that you may be facing this, because when you install Opera from its website or any third party website, it will almost certainly try to push third party programs, and if you refuse their installation, it will cause these bugs. So now I'm waiting for the installation. Let it be installed, and once it is installed we will be able to use it properly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.